Hello, good morning everybody. The objective of this video is to explain about the structure of the heart and blood circulation in human beings. First, let us know where the heart is located. Heart is situated in the mediastinum. What is mediastinum? It is a space between the two lungs in the thorax. And the location of the heart according to rib says from second rib to fifth rib. How many ribs we have? 12 ribs we have. Then it is a pear shaped and slightly triangular in shape. So the base being at the top and apex being at the fifth rib. The approximate weight of the heart can be 300 grams. That means one's own fist size, means a child of 12 years having the size of his own hand, and a 40 years man will be having the heart size of his own fist. This is the meaning of one's own fist size. And let us come to the main function of the heart. So it collects all the venous blood from all parts of the body and get purified with the help of lungs, and again it is transferring to the all parts of the body. So the main function of heart being to pump the blood, to circulate blood to all parts of the body. A normal adult heart is considered as 60 to 80 beats per minute. That can be taken as 70. So, 70 ml of blood is commonly ejected with each contraction of the ventricles. That means this is called stroke volume. So, 70 is being the pulse rate and 70 ml being the stroke volume. This can be 70 into 70 can be considered as nearly 5 liters of total output. In simple meaning, with one heartbeat, the heart circulates around 5 liters of blood to the body. That is called as cardiac output. Then coming to the structure of the heart. Heart is covered by pericardium, that is outermost layer of the heart. And this layer is filled with the fluid. So the outer layers of heart is filled with a fluid called pericardial fluid, which acts as a cushion, means protects the heart from like shocks and friction or any injuries. So this is always helpful to the heart. Then coming to the layers of the heart is called as myocardium. The actual structure or muscle itself is called as a myocardium. Myocardium inside is called inner layer of this myocardium is called endocardium, and outer aspect is called epicardium. So when the myocardium contracts, heart is actually functioning. Coming to the chambers of heart, heart has 4 chambers, that is 2 atria and 2 ventricles. The upper chambers are called atria and lower chambers are called ventricles. Then according to size we will decide as left side of heart and right side of the heart. Commonly right side of the heart is having the blood which is mixed with the CO2, that is carbon dioxide, and left side of the heart is usually having oxygen rich blood. So this simple sense, so right side means a part of impure blood, right side is rich of oxygen blood. Coming to the structure of the heart. This is called inferior vena cava, which collects the blood from upper parts of the body. This is called inferior vena cava, which collects the blood from the lower parts. And let us know about the structure of the heart. This is called inferior vena cava, which collects the blood from upper part of the body and anterior aspect of the heart. This is called inferior vena cava, which collects from the lower parts of the body and also from posterior aspects. This side is called right side of the heart. This is called right atrium. This is called right ventricle. This is called left atrium. This is called left ventricle. These 4 are called as chambers of the heart. Now we will be knowing about the cardiac valves. Cardiac valves are the openings between the atria and the ventricles. This is called a opening between right atrium and right ventricle, which having three leaflets or cups, we can say. So this is called as tricuspid valve. Coming to the left side, the opening between the left atrium and the left ventricle is having two leaflets. So it is called bicuspid valve or mitral valve. So right side of the heart is tricuspid valve and left side of the valve having mitral valve. Then coming to the semilunar valves. What is meaning semilunar? So these are the openings in the ventricles from where pulmonary artery arises and aorta arises. Coming to the right ventricle, where the pulmonary artery starts and takes the blood to the lungs, is called as pulmonic valve. Coming to the left side, where the aorta arises in the left ventricle and takes the blood to all parts of the body, is called as aortic valve. So we have total 4 valves in the heart, 2 cardiac valves, that is aortic and pulmonic valves, tricuspid and bicuspid valves, which are openings between the atria and the ventricles. Let us go to the circulation in the heart. So as we know that uh, the heart, who discovered this blood circulation? William Harvey discovered circulation of the blood in the heart. Usually arteries carries oxygen rich blood throughout the body and veins carry CO2, that is carbon dioxide mixed blood. However, there is exception. The pulmonary artery carries carbon mixed blood. So where is pulmonary artery? Which is starting from the right ventricle and taking the blood to the lungs. So that carries a sort of impure or carbon dioxide mixed blood. Pulmonary veins, which starts from the lungs and takes the blood, pure blood, to the heart, always carries pure blood. So only exception is that pulmonary artery carries impure blood, pulmonary veins carries pure blood. The blood from upper and anterior parts of the body is collected by superior vena cava, which pours blood into the right atrium. And what about the lower parts? So inferior vena cava collects blood from lower parts and posterior aspect of the heart and again pours into right atrium. So all the blood from the all parts of the body, that is venous blood, which is used by the tissues and cells, is collected and poured into right atrium. The blood from right atrium enters into the right ventricle through the opening. What is the opening between the right atrium and right ventricle? Tricuspid valve. So from right ventricle, pulmonary artery starts and takes the blood to the both lungs. So two branches we have, left pulmonary artery and right pulmonary artery. They pour the blood into lungs and where the blood is purified with oxygenation process. So what is the main function of lungs? Purification. How they will purify? With the help of alveoli. So when we inhale, there will be rich of oxygen in the blood and this blood will be purified and again resent to the heart with the help of pulmonary veins. These pulmonary veins pour blood into left atrium and from there it enters into the left ventricle. And from left ventricle, the greater aorta starts and takes the blood to all over the body and supplies to the all parts of the body. So this is how the blood is entering into the heart through the right atrium and leaving the heart to left ventricle through aorta. This is a simple step in the blood circulation. Thank you. అలా వచ్చింది తెలీదు.